Today's online class is Kerala, districts of Kerala in detail. In the last class, we talked up to Kottayam district. Kottayam is the district having the highest literacy rate and the rubber cultivation more in Kottayam, as well as Vembanad Lake is the largest lake of Kerala in Kottayam, and the world famous tourist center Kumaragam is in Kottayam. Next districts we see today are Idukki, Ernakulam, Thrissur and Palakkad. Idukki, Ernakulam, Thrissur and Palakkad. Idukki is the district in the hilly areas. A range of mountains pass through Idukki. Idukki is world famous and it is unavoidable for Kerala because electricity is made from Idukki. Idukki Dam is the world famous, only one arch dam, and it is also natural reservoir in Idukki Dam. It is in the shape of arch, and whenever you get a chance to visit Idukki, I recommend visit Idukki Dam. There is a particular time when the dam is open to public. That time you have to go, then only you can enter into the Idukki Dam. It is a sight worth seeing. It is in the shape of a cup, teacup. In the inside the teacup, instead of tea, the water is filled. That is the shape of the Idukki Dam. And water is conserved in between the valleys of mountains all around. That is why it is a natural reservoir. No human intervention is there. Only the dam is made which is connecting two mountains. And it is a hydroelectric project of Kerala. The electricity is produced from Idukki. And Idukki Munnar is a resort and tourist place. Lot of foreigners come to Munnar as well as Thekadi. Thekadi is the world famous tourist center of Kerala. Every year, thousands of foreigners come to Thekadi and Munnar. Idukki is the district having all the tea plantations as well as spices. The different types of spices like black pepper and cardamom are cultivated in Idukki district. Next we come to Ernakulam. Cochin is the corporation. It is the corporation Ernakulam, and it is known as the commercial city of Kerala. Cochin is famous for international trade. There is a Cochin airport as well as Cochin Port Trust. Shipbuilding yard is there. India's major shipbuilding yard is situated in Cochin, Cochin shipyard. And there is a refinery, oil refinery also is a petroleum oil refinery also situated in Cochin. And It is becoming more and more famous in the IT field also, as well as in tourist and different commercial trade activities, because it is a place having all the facilities like airport, ship traveling, and other ways of transportation and communication, so that it is that much important. Next is Thrissur district. Thrissur is also world famous. When we talk about Kerala's districts, almost all districts of Kerala are famous in one way or other. Thrissur is world famous in the name of Thrissur Puram. Puram is the only one festival conducted all over the world where lots of elephants are participating, and the largest number of people are participating in the Puram festival. It is a festival of music and colors. The elephants are decorated in a special ways, and special decorated umbrellas are kept on over the elephant, and the umbrellas are changing different every year. Changes are happening to the umbrellas, which is a very interesting scenery to see the different colored and different shape umbrellas coming on top of the elephants on both the sides. It is a festival as well as a competition between two teams. Thrissur Puram is conducted in the Tekkinkad uh, ground, the largest ground in Thrissur, that is in famous Vadakkannada temple. Thrissur is a place for rice cultivation also. The major paddy field, coal fields, are situated in Thrissur district. It is a place of rice cultivation. Next we come to Palakkad. Palakkad is also coming in the hilly areas. Palakkad is famous for a variety of crops. Crops in Palakkad are paddy and cotton. Cotton cultivation and paddy cultivation are the major crops of Palakkad. Then groundnuts. Groundnuts and sweet potatoes. Groundnuts and sweet potatoes are also major crops of Palakkad. But in present days, the rice cultivation is diminishing, and rubber plantations are made in Palakkad also, so that rice cultivation diminished in Palakkad. The beauty of Palakkad is diminishing because it is changing into township nowadays. Only one Silent Valley park. Silent Valley, there is no only it is silent always. That is why the name Silent Valley. Only the sound of crickets. It is a major forest area in Palakkad. So we stop this four districts today. Remaining we will do in the next video. Completely you have to see my videos, and my former videos also you have to see. and subscribe and like also.